Hello everyone, I am here with my video tutorial for creating a contour map in Modified UTM projection system used for Nepal. We will be using the digital elevation file of Nepal, which is in WGS 1984 projection. You can download these DEM files from websites like Art Explorer, or you can just search for them in Google. I will use this ArcMap for georeferencing, which is described in later part of this video, and then create contour, project it into another coordinate system and export it to a shape file, which we can use while working in MUTM coordinate system in other software such as Autodesk Civil 3D or even in ArcMap for later use. With correct geographic transformation parameters, the process is similar for projecting in other systems as well. I have made this tutorial in 2 parts, so make sure you watch both of these videos for complete tutorial. Now let's begin. What I prefer doing first is getting a hard copy of the topo map of the required location. We can use this to see if we are getting correct contours, and we will also use this to make sure our topo maps matches with the hard copy. These maps are available in pahar.in. You can copy the link from the screen. We can find topo map of any region from this website. As you can see now from this screen, there are various rectangles, and if I click on one of them, you get this code. This code refers to these different locations which are attached to it. For this specific tutorial, I will be making the map for Rasua district. So that is, you have to search around here. So I'll be using this Tunse image. So I remember this code, and all I have to do then is search for the number. These numbers are in ascending order, so it should not be very difficult to find them. So let's just save it, and we will use this to import in ArcMap later on. So you can see that the file is downloaded, and in this map you can have various information. So you can see contours and the river lines, and there's different legends and also some information about the projection system in which this topo map has been made. Now let's begin to our ArcMap. I usually prefer to create a new folder whenever I start doing a new work in ArcMap, so it is easier to access them later on. So let's create a new GDB file. Now let's add data to it. This DEM file is 30-meter raster data. That's the highest resolution that we can have it for free, I guess. If you look at the properties here, this file is in WGS 1984 projection system. So if you make a contour from this file, you will get the contour in WGS 1984 itself. Now let's add the image also. Currently the image has no any projection system attached to it, so we can keep it that way for this. Let's create a new projection first. So for that you can go to layers, properties, and you can select coordinate system, add new projected coordinate system. Let's name it MUTM 84 Nepal. So now you put the parameters here. Now you have to put a GCS to your projected coordinate system. Just search Everest. There are many geographic coordinate system related to Everest here, and I had a confusion for which to use. But from the SAFE file that we get from NAPI Vivag of Nepal, the parameters exactly match the one from Asia Everest Bangladesh. So this angular unit degree was all exactly same, and so was the other data of prime meridian and all. Let's select it. And we will create a new projection system here. I just prefer to add it to the favorites so I can easily select it when I need it next time. Okay. Let's add image now. Now what we will be doing is to geo-reference this image. So currently the coordinate system, this image has no any coordinate system here. So you can see from the layers that the coordinate system is unknown for this. Projecting this image will not be necessary because we will just georeference it to our desired coordinate. So our coordinates we can get from here. We might need to note it down in a separate sheet so you can do easily. So I have made it this in Word file, point A, B, C, D. So I'll be georeferencing those 4 points. So let's get the geoprocessing ribbon. For georeferencing, you will need to locate a point, and so add control points. Select the point. Making sure it is getting recorded. So right click and you can insert the absolute XY. Those are the absolute X and Y that we found out from the image itself. So let's do this for all 4 points. You can use the mouse scroll for zoom in and zoom out. It will be much easier. The more points you use for georeferencing, the more accurate it will be. This is the third point that I will be doing. Now moving to the fourth point, it should already be closer to the value that it should be. Let's insert the control points anyway. So the image is georeferenced now. It is exactly to the coordinates that it should be. Now the hard copy is ready. The contour that we will be making from the DEM file should exactly match to the contour from this image. So this is the end of part 1 video. I have tried to explain as thoroughly as possible. And if you have any comments or queries, let me know through the comment section. And please like and subscribe.